Hey everyone, welcome back to our how-to tutorials. Today we will discuss about how to synchronize your list and subscriber information between your MailChimp and SuiteCRM with our SuiteCRM MailChimp integration tool. So let's get started. Here I am done with my configuration part. To know about it, refer to our configuration video. You can find the URL in the description below. Now let's start synchronizing the list information. Initially, you need to click on Get List from MailChimp. So all my lists are fetched. Now go to the mapping section and choose the desired list here. So these are my list: 2 BHK, 1 BHK and 3 BHK. Choose one among them and click on Fetch Fields to Map. So here are the fields. Map the essential fields. Once done, click on Save. Now let's go back and start synchronizing the list information. Scroll down, choose your list. So here I have done the mapping for 1 BHK. Choose it and click on Sync MailChimp List to CRM. Here it is, 1 BHK. By this way, you can synchronize all your MailChimp list information to your SuiteCRM. Here are the list details, and I have added all my list subscriber information to my contacts module. Here it is. All the subscribers I have maintained in my list are synchronized with my SuiteCRM. Now let's see how to synchronize your list information from SuiteCRM to MailChimp. For this, click on Create MailChimp List. Here I am going to add some of the mandatory fields. Once done, click on Save. Once your list information is saved in your SuiteCRM, it will be automatically synchronized to your MailChimp. Let's check in our MailChimp account. Here it is, the independent villa I have created in my SuiteCRM. It is automatically synchronized to my MailChimp. Now let's add some subscribers to my list. Click on Select. I am going to choose one of my existing contacts. The contacts are added here. Click on the Actions drop down and send changes to MailChimp. Now let's check it in our MailChimp account. So the subscriber information I have added in my SuiteCRM is synchronized here. Here it is, Taylor and Jones. By following these simple steps, you can bidirectionally synchronize your list and subscriber information between your MailChimp and SuiteCRM. Thank you for watching.